Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So last week was very much sideways, just a carrying on from the tail end of the previous week. I'm not going to draw every single level in. To the upside it's 109929, to the downside it is 109220. So sideways, in amongst moving averages, oscillators flat, nobody knows what the hell's going on at the moment, and the longer we go sideways, the higher the probability of a coin toss comes into play. So at the moment, I think we are in coin toss area, 25 bars on the 8 hour. So normally if you go beyond 20 bars, the probability of a breakout in the direction you were going is sort of just gets reduced. So you can see it was a strong move down in consolidation, so you would expect somewhere in the middle of last week another move down. Now there's just so many factors at the moment. What's going to happen in the Middle East, that's a key one for the dollar. When are the interest rate hikes actually going to happen? The perception right now, or the indication rather, is that it's not going to happen in March, as the Feds were saying. So the data doesn't support that, but you've still got another, I think we've got two. I know we've got February. I think we get CPI out before the Fed's meeting, but anyway, we do have at least one month of data still as well to go through. So who knows, guys, who knows? There's just so much on the go. Election year all over in many countries this year as well, so lots of potential chaos. Now if we drop down through the time frames, it's not going to change the picture at all. You can see that just zooms in on the picture, the fact that there are lots of tails. This is barbed wire. It is confusion in amongst the moving averages like that. Not something you want to be trading. Definitely not something you want to be trading. Looking at the hour, it just magnifies even more. Above and below the moving averages, sideways, oscillators not helping, absolutely nothing brewing here. So for me, I am not interested in this. It's not even it's not even a debate, to be honest. There's no ifs or buts about this. It is chaotic. You are going to get burnt if you try and jump in on this. There will be some traders that are trading on 1 minute charts and 2 minute and 3 minute charts that would be making a killing in a range like this, because their exposure, their risk will be minimized, but they'll be scalping this up and down all the way. But they do have the time to sit down and do that. I don't. I'm definitely not sitting in front of the charts all day. So yeah, it's, for me, it's safer bet is just keep the money in the pocket. That's going to be profitable, and let's keep an eye on it, because something should give shortly, and then we have the opportunity once we get a breakout to the upside or the downside. Don't really know which way it's going to go, but we're going to have to get a day of positive price action. And when I say positive price action, I'm not meaning to the upside. It's just that's going to indicate which way the trend is going to form. So whether it's a short or whether it's a long, that's irrelevant. You're just looking for price to tell you that we know which direction we're going to go, and then we look for the breakouts and the retests before jumping in. But at the moment, we don't have any of that. We've just got pure confusion here. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. I am definitely sitting on the sides, have no interest in even trying to second guess where the levels are at the moment, especially not with the last 2 days price action. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.